It's to raise long-term capital to finance key development projects. Capital Markets Authority Policy and Market Development Director Luke Ombara says counties have a 1.1 trillion shillings infrastructure funding gap, and only 4 counties have so far shown interest in floating infrastructure bonds.
Makueni, Laikipia, Bungoma and Kisumu are 4 counties that have undergone a credit rating assessment in readiness to float county treasury bonds. An assessment by the Capital Markets Authority shows that the 47 counties have a combined infrastructure funding gap of 1.1 trillion shillings. The Capital Markets Authority is urging county governments to issue county papers to finance their long-term infrastructure projects.
And we've looked at their county integrated strategic plans for 5 years, that's 2018 to 2023. And if you add all the development needs by counties, it's translating to 1.1 trillion Kenya shillings.
He says devolved units should take advantage of the new regulations by the National Treasury that allows counties to borrow up to 20% of their annual revenue collections. The Capital Markets Authority has reported increased appetite for green bonds as more investors target sustainable and viable options away from the corporate bonds.
Because we know that a number of fund managers, for example, removed the asset class called corporate bonds in their investment policy because they say they don't want to do anything. They don't want anything to do with it. But to create some kind of interest, we saw green bonds as an option that would be attractive, and it seems to be very successful.
CMA's Q1 soundness report indicates that there was low volatility in the first 3 months of this year, as NSE-listed companies recorded no major changes in share prices. Liquidity remained low in the NSE, but relatively lower than that of Q2 of 2020. However, there was a slight reduction in aggregate foreign investor contribution to turnover, with a slight increase in domestic investor participation in secondary trading. Benson Duoba reporting for Channel 1 Business.